Have you got a severely cracked bowl sitting around your shop? Or perhaps one you cut in half like last week to dissect it? Hi y'all, Mike Peace. Welcome to my shop for another Turning Tuesday with tips, tricks, and techniques designed to help you become a better wood turner. Admit it, you probably got a lampshade bowl or some other suitable candidate just sitting around your shop just because it was just too good to give away. Kind of reminds me of that bad stock I bought where, you know, the price kept going down, and as long as I don't sell it, I don't have to admit that I made a mistake. Wait a minute, we're talking about wood turning. So the solution for our problem of what to do comes from my hero Richard Raffin's book, All New Turning Projects. And we're going to start with this bowl that we cut in half last week.
One way you can support my channel is to visit my Amazon shop as shown on the screen and also in the description below the video. And if you purchase something, I'll get a small commission. Thanks.
Okay, I rescued this backboard, looks like maple, from a discarded knife rack. And I'm simply going to use a trace out. I simply traced out the bowl, and now I'm using a French curve to just add to the design just a little bit, and I'm going to cut this out on a bandsaw. If you don't have a bandsaw, certainly you could cut this out with a coping saw. I'll just trim up the back plate a little bit. Okay, now we're just going to add a little good grade carpenter's glue. Being real careful about the spillover. Just going to hit it along the edge here. I'm not going to bother to clamp it. I'm just going to let it dry like this. You don't have to use a hardwood backing like I did. You could have used a piece of thin plywood and color the front of it with a piece of veneer if you like. If you have any comments or future video suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. You viewers sometimes come up with the very best ideas. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any great tip or project videos in the future.